Tyber Cranstoun. C. Cranstoun. The River. Albums, Oniric dirges in mono, in situ. Different ways to be haunted, drawing down the sun. Duelers. Albums, The Cooking Pot, Prince Buster Shakedown, Vintage Versions Volume I, Rhymes and Rhythms. Wizz Jones. Albums, Wizz Jones, 16 Tons of Bluegrass, The Legendary Me, Right Now, Late Nights and Long Days. Rishi Rich. Albums, Simply Rich, The Project, The Best. Fifth Man Down. Albums, Who We Were, Are We Harmless? Johnny Moped. Albums, Basically Johnny Moped, Cyclodelic, No One. Horace Panter. Saint Etienne. Albums, Sound of Water, I Was Born on Christmas Day, Xmas 93, Xmas 98, Good Humor, Finisterre More Saint Etienne 62 of 110, The Best Musical Trios of All Time 20 of 43, The Best Bands Named After Sports Terminology 115 of 160, The Best Dream Pop Bands. Daniel John Montagu Smith. Albums, The Caucasian Invasion. Ralph McTell. Albums, Not Till Tomorrow, Spiral Staircase, 8 Frames a Second, Expanded Edition. You Well-Meaning Brought Me Here, Easy. Kirsty MacColl. Albums, Kite, Titanic Days, Electric Landlady, Desperate Character, Tropical Brainstorm, More Kirsty MacColl 379 of 602, The Best Female Vocalists Ever 384 of 525, Which Artist Would You Bring Back from the Dead to Write One More Song? 183 of 193, Rock Stars Whose Deaths Were the Most Untimely. GoldieLocks. Albums, Wasteman More GoldieLocks 153 of 233, The Greatest Women Rappers of All Time 110 of 173, The Best Grime Bands / Artists 383 of 497, The Best Electro Bands / Artists. Anne Clark. Albums, Word Processing, The Best of Anne Clark, The Law is an Anagram of Wealth, Letter of Thanks to a Friend, Psychometry, Live at the Passion Church.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.